So this is a SYBSc linear algebra lecture. We are learning unit number 3, inner product spaces. Now see here, suppose V is any real inner product space, that is V is a real vector space on which some kind of inner product is defined. Suppose U and V be any two vectors of phi, then the projection of phi, the projection of phi, the projection of u, not v, the projection of u along vector v, the projection of u along v, vector v, phi is equal to u suffix phi is equal to angle bracket u comma v upon angle bracket v comma v vector v. See here, suppose v is an inner product space and u and v are any two vectors of v. The projection vector of u along vector v is given by u suffix v, and it is defined as angle bracket uv upon angle bracket v comma v vector v. See here, example, let us here consider a illustration. Example, find the projection of u is equal to find projection vector of find a projection vector of find a projection vector of u is equal to 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 along 1 comma 2 comma 0 along 1 comma 2 comma 0 along 1 comma 2 comma 0. See here the inner product space is R3 with a dot product. Here inner product is Euclidean inner product, which is the usual dot product. Now here u is equal to 1 1 minus 1 and v here u is equal to 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, phi is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 0. So first let us find the angle bracket u comma v. Angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 0 1 comma 2 comma 0 which is equal to angle bracket u comma v 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 1 comma 2 comma 0 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 2 plus minus 1 into 0 0 is equal to 3. Therefore here angle bracket u comma v is equal to 3. Now angle bracket v comma v is equal to angle bracket v is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 0 1 comma 2 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 0 is equal to 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 0 0 is equal to 5 Therefore the projection of u, therefore the projection of u along v, the projection of vector u along v is equal to u suffix v is equal to angle bracket u comma v upon angle bracket v comma v phi is equal to, now CR is equal to CR, angle bracket u comma v is equal to 3, angle bracket v comma v is equal to phi, and vector v is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 0. Therefore the required projection is 3 upon phi comma 6 upon phi comma 0. This is the projection of vector u along vector v. Now see here, if u and v are any two vectors, then we define cos theta is equal to angle bracket u comma v upon norm of u into norm of v. See here, if u and v are any two vectors, then we define the angle between u and v, theta is given by cos theta is equal to angle bracket u comma v upon norm of u into norm of v, where norm of u is equal to angle bracket u comma u raised to power half, and norm of v is equal to angle bracket v comma v raised to power half. See here, this is how we find the angle between any two vectors. Now find the cos theta. Here, find the cosine of between vectors u and v. Find the cosine. Between vectors u and v. Between vectors u and v. U and v. Here, find the cosine between the vectors u and v. U is equal to here v is R3. The inner product space is R3. Euclidean inner product, that is the dot product, Euclidean inner product product here the u is equal to minus 2 1 4 minus 2 comma 1 comma 4 u is equal to minus 2 comma 1 comma 4 phi is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 3. Here find cosine between vector u and v. There here v the inner product space is R3. Here the vector space is R3 and the inner product is Euclidean inner product, that is the usual dot product. Now see here, now let theta be the angle between vector u and v. Theta be the angle between vector u and v. Now cos theta is defined as angle bracket u comma v upon norm of u into norm of v. Norm of u into norm of v. Now here angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 1 into minus 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 3 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. Therefore angle bracket u comma v is equal to 13. Now norm of u is equal to angle bracket u comma u raised to power half is equal to, now angle bracket u comma u is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 4 into 4 raised to power half is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 16. C is equal to 20 is equal to 21 root 21 is equal to root 21. Therefore norm of u is equal to root 21. Norm of phi is equal to root CR1 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 11. Therefore cos theta, therefore cosine of the cosine between u and v cos theta is equal to angle bracket u comma v 13 upon norm of u root 21 into root 11. This is how we find the cosine of the angle between u and v.
झालं का?
हाँ हे बंद कर, एवढंच कर.